Welcome back. I remember the previous video that was made on how to access the mail. Now we've accessed the mail. We are inside the mail already. The next step is how to, from the mail, access the Google Classrooms. So as we can all see from the screen now, these are just tutorials on how to access the features of the mail. There are just 3 emails in the mailbox already. So one of the emails is containing the link to the Google Classroom folder. So each student is expected to click on the link that corresponds to his or her class. So as they log in, they'll click on, if you are in JS1, you click on this link. If you are in JS2, you click on this link. If you are in JS3, you click on this link, SS1. So let's assume I am in SS3, so and I want to join the SS3 class. So I'll click on the link. The link automatically takes me to a class. So you see something like this, then you pick the corresponding email. So you see something like this, click on continue. So they are joining as a student. I'm joining as a student. And then they join the classroom. So that is simply how to join the classroom. The link to join the classroom has already been sent to their mails. So once they click on the link corresponding to their particular class, they will be taken straight to the classroom where they will join as a student. And once they join as a student, this is what they will see on their screen. As you can see, this is SS3. They have the stream where their announcement is being made. There are teachers announcement inside the classroom already, so they can comment. Students have already started commenting. If they come to the classwork page, you see that there are already classwork posted into the classroom. Then if they come to people, so they will see the teachers that are already members of the classroom and the other students that are members of that same classroom. They will be able to see their other classmates. As you can see here, this is the list of other classmates that have accessed the class. So thank you very much.